Edo 2020 PDP campaign team don continue word-to-word campaign for Esako West local government area. The People Democratic Party PDP campaign team don continue word-to-word campaign with Edo North until the September 19 election wey don dey near so. Una go sabi say dis one na the first time wey governorship candidates and governor dey do word-to-word campaign for Edo North. The party governorship candidate Godwin Obaseki, deputy governorship candidate Philip Shaibu, Edo State PDP chairman Tony Azegbemi and other ogbonge pipo for the party na im carry campaign waka enter Esako West local government area as dem go ward 12 for Ayogweri. The party governorship candidate and governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, tok say im go build road from Ayogweri go reach Ekperi as dis one go open plenty land for agriculture.
I know that I need to build a road from here, Ayogweri, to Ekperi. The reason I need to build that road is because when we build that road, it will open up so much land for agriculture. The agriculture we are doing now is not the one you use cutlass and hoe. I need to bring tractor to prepare the land for you. If there's no road, can I take tractor there? That is why I must do that road. It is important. What we have been seeing since we started this campaign, it is clear that by the grace of God, we have won this election 90%.
Dem still go ward 10 for Apana. Dem go Iyuku where the way can see governor for tell the people say im administration dey finish anything wey dem start. Plus say im go bring light for dem if dem vote for am for second term. E still tell dem the ogbonge plan wey e get on top healthcare system for rural areas.
Any fight when we start, we must finish.
By the special grace of God, that's so we say.
This electricity, not be wire be that.
That's now wire.
That means say light will come here.
Yes.
By the grace of God, I go make that light come here.
God must win. God must win. God must win.
Abi?
That's so.
The one thing that they take blast stone for there, not be light.
That's so, yes.
Those people when they use electricity here, why they not give us for this village? Why? They are not worried. September 19, they could have just come out and come vote.
Yes, you.
On September 19th, when una vote, that day, una go down remove one big stone when they tie for my leg.
Woo!
When not make me fly.
Woo! Holy Ghost fire.
That day, when una vote, we count the vote, una protect the vote. They announce, say, Godwin Obaseki has been returned as governor of Edo State. Which is along with his deputy, Philip Shaibu. Make una leave the rest for us.
Okay, sir.
Before I go, make I tell una, promise una, say, from morning to night, now una problem, now we think about.
I believe you.
Now that one I cause quarrel.
Yes, you.
To say, make we try give the people back something. Now make us build with a classroom.
Yes.
By the grace of God, we go fence on our schools. The young man, when he come tell me about healthcare, we don't start. We get this thing that they call Edo Health Improvement Program.
Yes. Like Edo Best.
This is a program like Edo Best.
Yes.
When we say we go to every community, we take the primary healthcare center.
Wow.
We go rebuild them. Put solar so that we can go get light 24/7.
Oh, the way can see governor.
We go put borehole, put water. We go put quarters for the nurse to stay.
Yes.
We go do security. We go train the nurse and the workers when they there.
Yes.
So when you sick, anything they do you go first go there first before you say you dey go Auchi or go Irua.
Wow.
So all of these plans we don't start.
Yes.
But if we not come back, how we go finish them?
How we go finish them?
How we go finish them? That is why today we have come here to say, vote for us on September 19th.
Yes.
So that we can come back and finish all this work when we don't start. PDP!
Power to the people.
You do for me!
I do for you.
You vote for me!
I vote for you.
PDP campaign team come still carry waka enter ward 1 for Auchi. Governor Godwin Obaseki yarn say im know say dem get needs, but say anything wey dem need make dem no bother to reach am. Make dem tell their daughter wey be Edo State Commissioner for Budget and Planning, Mariam Momo Omorogbe, say she go tell am and im go start work immediately. He use the opportunity to talk say the work wey the commissioner dey do show say make dem give more opportunities to women as dem go always deliver.
Una promise me say I go be number 1. Una go deliver. If una do for me, I will do for. You vote for me, I will work for. Today, you have one of the hardest working commissioners in the whole state. This princess, when you just enter politics, you are not seeing the work when the business is done. When we give more opportunity to one women, let me say, they say you check a woman, you check a man. When you give one to a woman, they will do the work. I don't say we will get problems, one will never solve. I don't say we will get electricity problem, lights don't be paid. They say, Daniel, if I punish my borrow, they're not giving now. Okay. PDP! I have one thing to tell you. Anything one I need for this world, tell commissioner.
Kasim!
Tell commissioner. No more campaign. Any issue, tell the commissioner. He will tell me, and the same time he will tell me. Commissioner, I need to learn for your head.
Dem still go ward 11 for Jetu, wey be the ward of Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Philip Shaibu. Na there e for tell the people say im na one of them and im no go fit forget im own people. He still mention some of the work wey im don do for the area.
Na forward ever, backward never. No be development we want. This government no dey give us development. Here, as they stand so, look at our health sector be that.
Yes.
Na so e dey before governor and me enter.
No.
Na so e dey.
No.
Solar power no dey there now.
Yeah.
Water no dey there.
Go there.
This place, una know say I play football for here, abi?
Yes.
When we tell win many cup.
Yes.
Una dey see the pillars. Na no dey see those pillars o. Na stadium wan come here so. Stadium. Wetin I talk? Stadium. Program. All right. On the 19th of September, I beg una. Na no as dey go. Una don dey support me from House of Assembly.
Dis na the ogbonge informate wey bring come for una on top inside Edo today. As PDP campaign team don continue word-to-word campaign for Esako West local government area. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una. And my name na Aisosa Osayende.